everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Discord ID in Avakin Live. If you want to connect with friends or join Avakin Live communities on Discord, you might need your Discord ID. First of all, open the Avakin Live application on your device, and once you're inside it, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the top right corner from the home page. You'll then come across this general tab where you need to tap on account on the left hand corner. You'll then be able to see your Discord code displayed on the screen. Once you find the Discord code, you can use it to connect with friends, join servers, or link accounts in Avakin Live. Now you can use your Discord code in-game, in community channels, or when linking your account. That's how you find your Discord code in Avakin Live. Using the Discord code option in Avakin Live is the easiest and safest way to get your Discord ID without enabling developer mode or leaving the app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.